Where are we?
Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh.
I'm back to life today.
Yeah. Yesterday was a bit of a write-off.
So we left Connecticut. We spent about a week in Connecticut, and then we just decided to come on a little trip. And then the first 2 days of the trip, we just had 2 nights out and got really drunk.
Insert clips of me throwing up here.
Oh, he's actually like given up. He's not even got shoes on. He's not got shoes on. He's got white socks on. He's on his knees, shaking like a shitting dog. So here we have a wild Mick in the wild of America. He has clearly had a few too many spicy lemonades and Miller Lights. As you can see now, he is doing his mating call of. We call it the yakking noise. He is shaking, showing off his feathers. He is truly fucked.
Mickey didn't have a very good day yesterday. We had like a 5-hour drive into Pittsburgh and Mick was just dying the whole time. This is Pittsburgh. Our plan is basically just cruise around. It's rained annoyingly. We're gonna try and find some street spots, but the weather ain't looking great. So we're just gonna get some food, chill out, cruise around, see what happens.
A little bit of brekkie
On the bagels.
That's Pauline.
Good? Yeah?
Bagel's banging too.
Nice.
Now a bit chewy. Very well.
Scran on cam. I want to do one hard way today.
That's what I want to do. Fever.
One little feed hard way.
That's what I want to do.
That was banging. What should we do?
Roll around, look at some sights.
There's a park just down the road that apparently is sick. Go scope that out. Little ledges, some rails. I've been in America a month and it hasn't rained once. And the one day we actually want to ride a city, it pisses it down. I'm soaked. Alright, we found a bridge spot, like a DIY spot under a bridge. So, might be dry enough. We don't actually know if anything's there, but hopefully there is.
Down rail though.
Ah. There's a kicker. Okay. We have a laugh, don't we?
We have a laugh.
Well worth the 40-minute hike. Oh, sick.
My knees weren't warmed up for that.
Nope.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, that's bad.
I got about 200 pairs of grips in the warehouse.
You and Mix.
Oh, I forgot.
Mix is fucking scandalous. You can see it from here, look.
You actually can.
Definitely wouldn't pass MOT. Yeah.
Let's get it, and. That's nice. That was 2 wheels.
Yeah, that's fucking horrible. What are you gonna do?
For jam combos on the deck, even though that deck is tiny.
Yeah, we'll be tight. Yeah. Wee! Yeah. Okay.
bastard. Oh.
Right, it's only 4 miles back to the car.
Yeah, it's only
Yeah.
a 2-hour walk back to the car.
Do you know where the car is?
4 miles away.
4 miles away. Is there a pump in the car?
Wait, what? Why did I try that again?
I know. Should have just took it.
Should just walked away.
And it's a Sunday, so there's no bike shops open.
I reckon hour and 30 walk.
Hour walk.
Hour walk.
Oh, you're joking.
You know where we were? You know where we came from?
Yeah.
That's where we're going.
It's like from
Yeah,
here.
that's weird.
It's from here to where we parked the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know where we were earlier on when we parked the car?
Yeah.
That's from there to here. And then if you went back, that's the way we got to go. Have you got a degree?
Cheers, Pittsburgh. You've been in.
What is it? Trans Am.
Yeah.
6.6 litre and an SRT4 Dodge Neon.
They are pretty gangster, aren't they?
That's wow nice.
Like good beer.
That's actually banging. Ooh.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, it's nice that.
Wow.
What is it? This is the Pittsburgh lager, isn't it?
Yeah, was it Iron City? Wasn't it?
Yeah. We're on a quick beer stop.
Steelers.
How long have we walked? 3 miles?
Yeah.
Started getting real hot.
Banging.
That is lovely. Look at the size of this thing. That's the biggest exhaust I've ever seen in my life.
That is. Mate, you see the front wheel? Yeah, spot.
Look at the exhaust. That is sick. Made it back. We got a tube, but we got no pump. I've never done that in my life.
You never done it?
Nah. That is impressive. You reckon you got 100 PSI in you? Legend. Cheers, bruh.
I'm actually buzzing. What to roll?
Yeah. This is not walk.
It's getting there now.
This is the shittest bump in the world.
Alright, we'll just leave it there.
I'll roll on 5.
Have a word.
Just a bit slow.
Look at this. This is the best feeling in the world. She's back. Give me a nice little manny line, Meg.
Banging.
Yeah, lobster roll.
Your hot lobster.
Look at that.
Why is it always so much? How much that is, man.
Some serious food.
All right, before we leave, we need a pegs trick on a street ledge. Andy's gonna do Phoebe's soft, I'm gonna do Phoebe's hard. We'll see what happens.
That is the grippiest thing I've ever seen.
That is so grippy.
I could do that.
That grabbed on the other side. Manny 180?
Yeah, maybe.
I'd love that. That's beautiful.
I love that, mate.
Hey, brother.
Did you see what happened there?
Yes, I did. You just got fucking bodied.
You know when you like pull away to
Yeah.
pull? I just pulled away off the ledge.
Yeah, your front wheel got stuck. Yes. Don't get flat now.
Please, no flats, boys. No flats.
Look at that texture. That is not a ledge you want to be grinding without wax. And we have no wax.
It's hard, eh?
Yeah.
It's your. I think it's half of it's the tyre. It's gash, eh?
Fuck, you fucking hard cut.
Yeah.
Thanks. I was on fresh pegs when I came out here. Whoops. Stupid ledge. Why did we just try to ride that? I don't get it. That was a terrible idea.
That was the hardest hard way ever.
Yeah.
After a lobster roll and 4 pints.
Yeah, we are 4 pints deep right now.
Yeah! Come on. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do bars.
Can't roll skate in a buffalo yard.
Anyone else smoked?
Yeah, boy.
It's not even that good. Well, I've started it now. I know. It's the trouble, isn't it? This is the one. Get it. Come on, doggy. Yes, sir. Woo! Oi.
Oh my god, that was sick.
Yeah. You're buzzing with that.
I am buzzing with that. When we first turned up to Pittsburgh today, I was like, how are we even gonna last an hour in this city? I was so bored and pissed off because of the rain.
What time is it now?
8 o'clock.
Is it?
Yeah, we've done well. This is a good spot.
I'm lit.
To be fair, there's loads of spots in Pittsburgh, but it's only just dried up enough to ride them.
Yeah, it's been literally like torrential rain all day. And
Yeah.
It's, like,
Yeah,
horrendous.
actual torrential.
Savage.
But hey,
Hey, we've had a good day. Good
great day in fact. That was a fucking brilliant day.
Fantastic day.
That was a sick day.
Worked out so
No,
well.
actually, like this is one of my favourite cities I've been to, I reckon.
I like this, like, got a bit of green, the rivers are cool, and it's not that busy.
No, not busy at all.
And the food's banging.
Food banging.
Shut up, mate. On that note, should we get someone to drop a comment down below?
The best place for mine and Andy's security services to host will be.
Oh yeah, because we're both now bouncers.
Yeah, we're both bouncers.
Shall I put the photo in?
Yeah, now.
Alright, so if you think Mick and Andy should bounce us somewhere, where would it be? Drop a comment down below.
Great question, actually.
That is a great question. On that note, we're going to go home because we've got a 7-hour drive to Niagara Falls tomorrow, so I'll see you next week. We're going to do some more stuff. We're going back to Connecticut. We're going to do some stuff with Jimmy. RJ's booked us in with a gun range, so we're going shooting guns.
That'd be sick.
See you next Sunday. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.